Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Fall in Love sign. I'm going to go in first and paint my little leaf here in the color Terracotta, and then I'm going to go in next with the color Putty, and I'm going to paint my lettering. And if you want to, you could go in with like a spray paint and spray this so that you could get the sides really good. And that would definitely be easier than trying to brush it. But I am using a sponge brush, which is still, again, easier than brushing it with like a paintbrush on the sides and stuff. But that's up to you. You can also just leave the sides not painted. So again, just going in, painting everything. And this is Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased online at buildacross.com, along with this cutout that I'm painting. And pretty much anytime I do lettering, this is my technique. I just base coat it in whatever color I want. And then, like, my next step is going to be, I'm going to get another sponge brush in the color chocolate. And I'm just going to put some of that on my brush, wipe the majority of it off. And then I'm just going to distress all of my lettering. So I distress it in a way that kind of separates a word from word. And like when it's print, I'll kind of separate the letters from each other. And this kind of just makes it pop and stand out. I'll do the same thing with the leaf as well, just distress the edges of that. And then that will be done. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.